In the village of Rovinka near Bratislava, one of the most precious and expensive spices in the world is grown in the halls of Veles Farming. Saffron. Today, in Made in Slovakia, we will visit the largest indoor vertical saffron farm in the world. And there they are, a total of 150,000 saffron bulbs, ready for planting in trays placed in bunk towers. But let's start from the beginning. The first round of quality control. Experienced workers' hands pick up each one. Before planting, the dry root residue is peeled. Through temperature reduction, the sleeping bulb wakes up from its sleep. Likewise, the upper part will be shortened as part of so-called topping that facilitates air circulation around the bulb to help it grow. It is then stored in trays that can hold up to 96. The boxes of stored saffron bulbs travel to the towers. Such layering saves a lot of space. What we see here, over 50 square meters, would require 3,000 square meters outdoors. In the towers, saffron finds ideal conditions for growth. The temperature, humidity, light, airflow, and quantity of CO2 are checked. The ideal growth conditions are automatically controlled by a computer. And 6 to 8 weeks after planting, it finally happens. The saffron blooms. The saffron remains in bloom for approximately 3 weeks, during which time the bulb releases 3 to 6 flowers. In order to obtain quality saffron, the flower needs to be supplied with iron, zinc, magnesium, and also seaweed. The yield of plant is determined by its weight. The heavier the bulb, the more saffron flowers it will produce in one harvest. Those over 20 grams sometimes produce up to 7. In the halls, employees must follow strict hygiene rules. This is to prevent fungi or pests from being transferred to the plants. Each and every flower is picked by hand. Saffron is the most falsified spice in the world, and it's no wonder. Saffron comes from only the red parts of the lower pistils, and gathering it is unbelievably intricate work. Judge for yourself. In order to obtain 1 kilogram of saffron, it is necessary to process 130 to 150,000 flowers. The white and the orange parts of the pistil are torn off, and the white part is separated from the red. This is a spice that is in demand all over the world. And maybe you didn't even know that high-quality saffron is also made in Slovakia.